Hello everyone, welcome back to the weekly market updates. I'm Shaurik Hargawat. First of all, we are very sorry that we could not connect for 3 straight weeks because of some reason or other, and a lot has happened in this time. First of all, US में डोनाल्ड ट्रंप की लैंडस्लाइड विक्ट्री के साथ ही उन्होंने अपनी सेकंड टाइम ओवल ऑफिस में एंट्री को सिक्योर कर लिया है और इस बार उसके साथ रहेंगे इलॉन मस्क जो कि DOGE यानी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट एफिशिएंसी को लीड करेंगे. The US markets have rejoiced this landslide victory of Donald Trump and they have kept on making all-time highs on all the major indices. Just to put this in perspective, S&P 500 has made 52 times all-time new highs in this financial year only. However, Indian markets remain in the tight grip of bears. We were already struggling on the earnings side. At the same time, FIS selling has remained a major problem as they have kept on selling without fear. Also, the inflation number have come on the higher side to deteriorate the sentiment further. The news of indictment by the US Department of Justice on Adani Group has further deteriorated the breadth of the market. After the allegations from Hindenburg on Adani Group, once again the group has come under the scrutiny. इस बार अदानी ग्रुप के हेड गौतम अदानी और उनके नेफ्यू सागर अदानी को इस इंडाइटमेंट में बाय नेम एलिस्ट किया गया है. Under this indictment, Adani Group has been alleged to bribe Indian officials to garner solar projects for Adani Green Energy. And this news has come just before Adani Green was in the last stages of raising 600 million through US denominated bonds. इस न्यूज के आते ही अदानी ग्रुप के लिस्टेड 10 स्टॉक्स में से सबसे ज्यादा अदानी ग्रीन एनर्जी 40% से ज्यादा करेक्ट हुआ, वहीं अदानी एंटरप्राइजेज में 26% से ज्यादा की कमजोरी देखी गई. This news has eroded 2.28 lakh crore of market cap from the Adani Group companies. However, in the second half of the week, all these stocks have recovered from their lows and almost recovered 60 to 75% of their fall. Just after the Adani indictment news, on 23rd of November, the election result came from the Vidhan Sabha of Maharashtra, where BJP-led alliance has secured a landslide victory, which has definitely improved the sentiment of the markets. On the day of 21, we have made a temporary low of 23,300 levels on Nifty, and from there we bounced back and gave a rally of almost 1,000 points. However, markets have encountered selling pressures on the higher levels, and on Nifty, after repeated attempts, it has failed to secure the level of 24,500 on the closing basis. This week, after bouncing back, the broader and the frontline indices all have closed in the positive territory. जहां निफ्टी ने वीक ऑन वीक बेसिस पे 0.9% की तेजी दर्ज की, वहीं बैंक निफ्टी में 1.5% और स्मॉल कैप में 5% की तेजी दर्ज की गई. It seems that Nifty and Bank Nifty both have stuck into a trading range unless on Nifty we don't cross the level of 24,500 on higher side and 23,500 levels on the lower side, we will be seeing the trading in the same range. वहीं बैंक निफ्टी के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल्स टू वॉच में होगा 52,600 का लेवल. अगर बैंक निफ्टी इसके ऊपर ट्रेड करता है कन्विंसली तो वी माइट सी ए अपसाइड. सिमिलरली नीचे की साइड 51,400 के लेवल्स बहुत ही क्रूशियल रहेंगे. This week, as similar as indices, all the sectors have closed in the green territory. सबसे आगे कंस्ट्रक्शन सेक्टर रहा जिसने 5.5% के गेन्स वीक ऑन वीक बेसिस पे दर्ज किए. सेकंड और थर्ड नंबर पे PSU बैंक एंड ऑयल एंड गैस सेक्टर रहा जिसने 4.5% से 5% के गेन्स वीक ऑन वीक बेसिस पे दर्ज किए. ऑटो सेक्टर्स ने इस वीक सबसे कम गेन्स क्लॉक किए जो कि वीक ऑन वीक बेसिस पे केवल 0.9% रहे. In international indices, especially on the US side, Dow Jones week on week basis पे 1.18% के gains के साथ बंद हुआ. वहीं Nasdaq has remained flat for the week. In geopolitical situation, the conflict between Russia and Ukraine has recently escalated when Russia has retaliated with their ICBM missiles and targeted energy infrastructure. The Russian President Vladimir Putin has said that this attack has been done in the retaliation on the recent attack by Ukraine when they have used long-range missiles on Russia. At the same time, the peace talk and ceasefire between Lebanon and Israel has also been disrupted, which has further pushed the instability in the global arena. As I have mentioned earlier, that FIs have continued with their relentless selling, and in this year alone, they have sold more than 2.81 lakh crore rupees of stocks in the cash market. In the month of October alone, they have sold more than 1.14 lakh crore rupees of stocks in the cash market. This is a very serious number and it is par at with the number of the COVID-19 pandemic situation. FIS ने नवंबर मंथ की एक्सपायरी के दिन भी एक ही दिन में 11,000 करोड़ से ज्यादा का सामान बेच दिया, which clearly speaks that they have not changed their mind a bit. Even after the unstable geopolitical situation, the Brent crude prices have not been going high, and still on this week-on-week basis, they have come down by more than 3.5%. Brent crude इस हफ्ते $72.6 पे बंद हुआ, वहीं सिल्वर ने week-on-week basis पे almost 1% की तेजी दर्ज की, and gold for exchange has taken breather for this week and clocked the negative gains of 1.89% on the week-on-week basis. SEBI, in its new circular, has introduced 45 new stocks in the F&O category. Now we have total of 223 categories in future and option category. इस लिस्ट में शामिल होने वाले इंटरेस्टिंग नामों में सबसे आगे रहे Zomato, Jio Financial Services, Paytm, Delivery, Adani Total Gas, Adani Green Energy and CDSL. In another event, Mahindra & Mahindra has launched 2 new SUV EVs in the range of 18 to 25 lakh rupees. वहीं ओला इलेक्ट्रिक भी पीछे नहीं रहा और उसने अपने 4 नए वेरिएंट टू व्हीलर्स इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल लॉन्च किए हैं, जिनकी प्राइस बहुत ही कॉम्पिटिटिव रखी गई है और ऐसा मानना है कि मार्केट में अवेलेबल सभी मॉडल्स में इनकी प्राइसेस सबसे नीचे है. In another event, Waaree Energies have bagged a new order of 600 megawatt for solar module from a domestic entity. This is it for this week. We'll come up with more such interesting information next week. Till that time, stay tuned with us. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.